far from where they belong. Out of humanity, full of torment, nothing to carry him home. Yeah. Some human beings in endless pain, mistreated and forced to their death, burning like cattle and chained by their necks, moving inanimate flesh, falling and rotting away. Fear the coming of the day, never knew what they were living for. The enslavers will is their fate. Some burning merciless and scanning snow, devil stunning their rose. Craft of humanity's slaves in distress, they do expedite their death.